soon as you close it, you're gonna miss the drop. So you just don't ever close it. You're gonna miss the drop, man. You're gonna miss it. Don't close it out. Blow the account if you have to. Just don't miss the drop. Unfortunately, that's how what's his name, Michael Burry got famous because he listened to his voice, even though he was $10 billion in debt, and if it didn't drop, it wouldn't be called The Big Short. It's called something else. Yo, dude, he got lucky. I think,
Said he got
and this is,
lucky.
I think, I think it was allowed to drop, and this is a conspiracy theory. I wouldn't know, but he was going to lose a lot of people's money if they was investing with him. I don't know if I would doubt that he had all the money that he used for the short was all his. I would doubt that. A lot of these guys have investors and they invest other people's money, and he probably was investing a lot of powerful people's money because he was before that thing worked, just like any other stubborn bear. It was in bad drawdown and super drawdown. But they don't. Well, I mean, it's not like they don't tell you that part. People just don't like to acknowledge that part. But, and I kind of regret this entry though. I wish I had a better entry at these lows, honestly.
So it stops me out. Computer shuts down, or blanks out, or whatever it did. I don't know what that was. Then I see price going, got me chasing. Logged it off. It's happening. He bought. He went all in. Dump it.
But you know what, Alfred? That is absolutely true. I'm not familiar with the situation, but what I do know is if you're investing people's money, you have a certain percentage that if it goes past that percentage, you have to close or you are liable to be sued if you're trading with other people's money. You, you can be sued for that for sure. I'm surprised that honestly, I'm surprised, honestly. I mean, you have these lone kind of like rebel investors, kind of like your Kathy Woods, your Michael Burries, or whatever his name is, like investors like that, where they have like one good run and everybody is like, yeah, take my money, and then they don't have the same kind of results. I mean, they're good for a season, and people invest their monies with these people, and they don't get the. I guess they get the minimum return, but they're not getting the return that they expect because let's just be honest. These people are gambling just like the rest of us. They don't know what the hell they're doing. They're gambling. Yeah, he's a gambler. I mean, it's pretty obvious. No disrespect to him or anything, but he's definitely a gambler. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna cut this position. I'm gonna cut it. I'm just gonna get the better entry.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Because these bears are selling hard at the imbalance low.
Cut it. Cut it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm holding. Don't let me scale in. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Bricks is way too long. You need to cut it. Nasdaq's way too short. You need to cut it. No. Cut it. Cut it. I'm longing. I'm longing the top.
Damn, ES is being real stubborn right now. I'm not trying to. $47.75.
Double down.
I'm trying to get long at 47, and the market is doing everything but filling my limit order right now.
Double down. Bogdanov. He doubled down. He went all in. Pamp it. He has guts. He has courage. Pamp it. Just for him. W. Bogdanov.
Damn it. All right, man. What the hell happened? What the hell happened? Or am I in the wrong one?
Brooks is way too high. To cut it. You need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. What do we do? He keeps averaging in. Well, that's all I got. So,
all right, I gotta cancel this order and get back in. All right.
He went all in. 450 on that one and made $7 on that one.
Okay. And then I'll attach this to the indicator right here. Attach it to the 50 EMA. Yeah, the Bears are going to probably keep on trying. Kind of like what they did up here. You know, earlier today, obviously in hindsight, I was literally at the top of, or at the middle of ES, middle of this range. And this BS price action made me believe that the market was actually going to go up when we got this big move down. I wonder if the same thing is going to happen here at the initial boundless low, because like I said, the Bears have tried multiple times to sell off this initial boundless low. I don't believe that they'll be successful. So I'm trying to trade into their aggression for a potential squeeze back into the range. Wow. All right, dude. What's going on? Am I being punked right now? What's going on? It says I'm in 3, but I only have 1 contract. Interesting. So, all right. So obviously I did something wrong. Okay, no, I did. Okay, so why is it doing that? Ah, damn it. Damn it. All right, so I gotta cut this again. To cut this position again. All right, I got it right this time.
Cut it. You need to cut it.
Okay, so I got it right this time. Now I can just target the initial balance high. I'll take the bulk of the position off at the 50%. And then I'll take the rest off at around the initial balance high as a runner. Nano Sherm will be on a computer screen near you pretty soon. Actually, let me ask this thing. That's $1 million question. How many points would I need on the Nano ES to make $100? I would need 100 points to make $100? Shit. Damn.
10,000 points to make $100.
Hold on, you said 10,000?
No, I'm just joking.
Oh, okay. Okay. NES. Damn, I need 100 points on the ES to make $100 on one contract? Well, I guess I have no choice but to trade the MNQ or the NNQ. I have no choice either if I want to trade the ES and Nano ES. I gotta trade the you're not getting 100 points on the ES, not every day. No way. It says that you need 500 points to make $100 per contract on the NNQ? No way.
100.
Man, let me maybe Copilot is glitching.
I thought it was $100 for, 100 points for like $50 or something.
It did say that, and now it's saying something different. So now I don't believe it anymore. It's saying that it's 20 cents per point.
20 cents per point. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Damn. Damn. Obviously, you need 10 nano contracts. So you basically need a micro. And I mean, so I know that a lot of people say that why would you trade 10 contracts instead of just trading the equivalent? In this example, why would you trade 10 NNQ contracts versus just trading one micro contract? Well, the great thing about these contracts is that you can break them up and take profits along the way. You can leave runners. You can be very versatile with obviously 10 nano contracts versus just one contract. So That's the benefit of, for right now, trading micros over minis, unless you have an account that allows you to trade multiple minis so you can take profits along the way. That's usually a 30,000 plus account. I mean, you can get away with it with the 10K account, but if you're trading a 10K account, yeah, I guess you can get away with trading like what, 3 minis, maybe, if you know what you're doing. But yeah, they are. Yeah, I could have sworn this thing said yesterday that 100 points on one contract was $50. I didn't question it. Actually, I didn't really think to do the math on it either. But it looks like it's changing its tune, and that's why I kind of given up on AI, because it's pretty stupid. It is pretty stupid.
20
It
cents
does mess up on
times,
things.
you said 20 cents, right? Per point
Yeah.
times 100 points. That's $20. uh, you
Yeah, so
make
I guess you do need 500 points to make $100.
you excited because you caught 100 points and it's only 20 bucks.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
The old famous example. You can't even buy a Five Guys meal with that. $20.
Probably told me, but I don't really want to do the math on it.
Huh?
Okay, so
Yeah, can you ask me
71
now?
points. So if you got seven NNQ contracts,
Because I'm busy right now.
you can make $100 with 71 points. That's easy. So I think I'm gonna run 10 contracts. I'm gonna run 10 nano contracts and just take profits along the way. I'll take 7 contracts off at $100, maybe $150, maybe. Yeah, why not? Lock in $100.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Hey. You need to cut it.
So with 7 contracts, I just need 14 points. Hmm. To for $100.
You said with 7?
Hmm. Yeah, so with 7 NES contracts, 14 points is $100. And with 7 NNQ contracts, you need 71, roughly 72 points for $100. So I can run 10 NNQ contracts, take off 7 to make 100, and just leave the rest to run and add into the position as it goes in my direction. Oh yeah, we about to kill it on nanos, man. About to kill it. Shit, I don't have any fear when it comes to micros. Nanos, shit, I might not even have a stop loss, baby. Nah, I'm playing, guys. Have a stop loss. Protect your risk, or protect your capital with the stop loss. No stop loss, baby.
I hope, like I was saying earlier, I hope there's volume, not like these individual stock futures products. I pulled up
I
Nvidia
mean,
today. That mess was ugly.
yeah.
That's not even
Who
moving.
but who asked for that though? Who asked for that?
I guess they just thought everybody would hop. Oh, I can trade Tesla, Nvidia. Like, I can trade the chart and I don't have to deal with options.
Yeah, I mean, no one asked for that though. No one asked for that. I don't remember even considering stock futures. Maybe for hedging purposes, maybe. But your degenerate gambler is literally just gambling 0 DTEs. Why the hell do we care about futures? It's 0 DTEs, baby. But yeah, this is the chart right here on 1 minute chart. This shit is ugly. Yeah, you're right. This thing is ugly, ugly. Only a mother can love this chart. Only a mother can love this chart. This is a 1 hour chart. And this is a daily chart. So it looks like you would have to look at a higher time frame chart if you really want to get decent candles. This is a 4 hour chart on the Nvidia stock futures, and this thing ain't getting no love. So if Nvidia ain't getting no love, then nobody else ain't getting love neither. Yeah, that's exactly yeah. Yeah. It has all these gaps. Oh, look at all these gaps, man. It's ridiculous. 15 minute. You have all these intraday gaps. There has to be some sort of incentive for people to trade these, I believe. I mean, what's the incentive? So what's your plan tonight, Smith? Do you plan on staying up with this thing? I'm just gonna let this thing run. I'm confident. Once we break back above the initial balance, this thing is gonna at least go to the 50%. I'm confident in that.
Where's your levels at? 750.
You said what?
750.
Yeah. This is range rotation.
I hope you're right.
I mean, shit. I hope I'm right too, because that's where my target's at. So I hope I'm right too. But this is range rotation. If the bears aren't going to break from the bottom of the initial balance, well, we already know what a range does. If the market fails to take out the low and it closed back within the range, I mean, it only has one area to go back to the highs. It's going to at least hit the 50% on its way back to the highs, and I have a runner to the highs. I mean, it's just range rotation. Now, it could stop at the 50% again and come back to the low, but the bulk of my target is coming off at the 50%. So if it comes back down, I mean, I already made majority of my money. I just have a runner right here to back to the highs. So it's just range rotation. I'm just betting on that. Yeah, yeah, Poco, yeah. I mean, these like, dude, like I think what, like 100 points, like yeah, 100 points is just like what, $20 on one contract. So you literally like the net, like dude, if you are down $100 on the Nasdaq, I mean, come on, at some point you got to cut the position, but at the same time, it's not gonna hurt. $20, it's not gonna hurt. But I mean, come on, you got to close it before it gets there. You're wrong. Just give it up. $100 or 100 points down. I'm only down $20, baby. That's it. Just down $20.
I gotta hold
Oh
it. It'll
man, that's
turn around.
hilarious.
It'll turn around. I gotta hold it.
Yeah, it'll turn around.
Eventually. Before the quarter ends, I'll be up. You gotta hold it until expiration.
Yeah, good thing that these are cash settled.
Yeah.
The equity market is cash settled, so you don't have to worry about delivery. It's all cash settled. Yep, that's how you do it, baby. That's how you do it. Oh, Nasdaq, you have been defeated, Nasdaq. I don't need to stop no more. Damn it! I could just hold this shit until I can just hold it. You know, the
So-
Nasdaq goes up about 10 million points.
Just
I can
hold
just
it
hold this shit.
until I'm right. Just hold it.
I'm gonna be right, damn it. I'm gonna be right.
You still in your position? Yeah, I'm still holding. Crash Kari dropped the market 500 points again. I'm still holding. We'll be
Hold
back. We'll be back up.
I'm gonna add more position. I'm gonna deposit more money. I'm gonna deposit. We're gonna keep on DCA until we're right, damn it. Until we're right. And then I'm gonna go on social media. I have a 100% win rate trading the Nasdaq, Nano Nasdaq. Buy my course.
Buy my course. That's funny.
We up $100, baby. We up $100. All right, we get like, dude, we get price to trade back into this initial balance, dude. My target is as good as hit, baby. It's as good as hit. I'm gonna let this run overnight too.
Well, just don't be like me. Take profits in the morning if you let it run all night. My Kraken account is gone because I didn't take profits. I sent you the screenshot instead in the text message. Saying,
Dude, I thought
yeah.
that was realized gains.
No.
I was like, my boy Smith.
I didn't take profits. I thought it was
You sent the
going to.
screenshot.
Yeah, that's so Wall Street bets. I sent the screenshot. Yeah. I went back to sleep. Woke up like, oh shoot.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Hold on. Then, did you have a nightmare or something, or were you sleeping like a baby?
no, I slept good.
Bogdanov. Bogdanov did that shit. Bogdanov, he went to sleep.
Put him to sleep.
Put him to sleep.
He thinks he thinks his position is good. He did it. He took the screenshot. Put him to sleep.
And then dump it. Wake him up.
Wake him up. Okay, wake him up. I woke up after 8:30. I looked at the chart. I was like, "Whoa!" That 5-minute candle was down over 100 points. I was like, "No way."
Mm-hmm. Dang, ES is like that, man. ES did everything except fill my profit or my target. My God.
Put him to sleep. He thinks his position is good. Put him to sleep.
He's doing research. Oh, I don't know. When I first saw that shit was hilarious. He's doing research. Why did this happen? Oh man. USA life insurance. We living forever, baby. We don't need life insurance no more. We in a new timeline when everybody's immortal. So you don't need life insurance no more. I'm just playing, guys. You know, I was just thinking about that. I mean, what's up with that? Off trading topic. topic, off trading topic, I guess. Anyway, why the hell did we want to live forever, but then when we get it, we go insane? Like what the hell is up with that shit? Like, why do we have such contradictory software and hardware that goes against each other like that? Oh, I know I want to live forever. Then you live forever. Then it's like, oh my god, I want to die. I don't want to be here no more. What the hell is up with that?
Forever young, I wanna be. There we go, baby. Close enough.
Told you.
It's happening.
Told you this initial balance range is legit. Once we got back in that range, look at what we doing, baby. We going higher now. Where is the bulls trying to target? At 50% of the range. At least the 50% of the range.
It's happening.
Trump candle.
The
I don't know. I mean, I would say I'll be pissed, but it would be funny though. If we get a Trump candle and it wicks all the way down,
That would
that would
not
be
be funny.
hilarious, but
That
I'll
would
be
not be
pissed.
funny to me. I'd quit. Like, I'm done. I'm over this. That's the last straw. Damn it, Trump. It's the last straw.
No, Alfred, everybody will be immortal. So you won't see nobody pass away. Everybody will be immortal. Everybody's immortal. So we'll live for ever.
Forever young. Do you want to live forever?
They say that the longest living creature right now recorded is well, it's that it's like the something bear, like something bear or perma bear or something bear. I don't know. But the Greenland shark has been recorded to live over 500 plus years. Can you imagine being 500 years old, still living, still going? I wonder what makes them live that long. If it's true, if they do live hundreds of years, I wonder what keeps them going for so long. And yet humans aren't, or I guess the recorded lifespan of a human is about just about 100 years.
What's the life expectancy for men? I think it's like what, 70?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, according to the data, but I mean, I guess you have to really take into account people's lifestyle, their lifestyle and their life choices. I mean, people usually aren't dying from natural deaths. It's usually caused by freak accidents. It's rare that you hear people go naturally. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but you really don't hear it.
Oh my gosh. Ugh.
Elon will take us to the moon.
You heard his little spacecraft crashed on the moon.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guy. Okay.
Like, damn it, Elon, don't blow up the moon. We need the moon.
Where else are we gonna get our cheese from? Where else are we gonna get the cheese from? You know, honestly, Alfred, you know, I don't necessarily believe that. I don't believe that. Because I mean, shit, we can grow food. I mean, shit, food is you can grow food. It has seeds. You can plant those seeds and grow more food. I think what the resources that run out is obviously stuff that doesn't reproduce naturally, like bullshit ass I mean, I don't think there's enough cows to feed people. So I feel like when it comes to when you're trying to feed the whole world and you're trying to feed them like meat, then yeah, I can agree with that. I can agree with that because I think the only animal protein that's sustainable is rabbits. I saw that rabbits can get pregnant while being or after giving birth. They can be pregnant like afterwards. So rabbits are kind of bred to be livestock. Cows only have one calf, so there's not too much of that going around. But I guess if you have like I don't know. I try not to think about that. I guess as long as I can go to the store and buy some steak, then that's how far I'll think about it. But I know that they're trying to do lab grown meat and all that other crap. But like fruits and vegetables, grains, wheats, stuff like that, those resources will never, I would feel that those resources would never be in limited supply because you can just grow it. Yeah, that could be true. You left a lot of meat alone as you got older. My own personal opinion, I feel that if you're eating meat, then that means that you're doing things that burn calories, like you're working out, you're bodybuilding, you're training to become bigger and stronger. Me personally, if I wasn't doing that, I wouldn't eat meat because there wouldn't be no purpose to eat it, in my opinion. It would just sit there and you just have that feeling of heaviness. I burn a lot of energy, so I need to have that replaced. Because I mean, I think we had this conversation a couple of nights ago. If if I still had my previous diet, I wouldn't be as big as I am now. I wouldn't be able to perform the way I perform in the gym. I don't believe nobody when they say that they're a vegan bodybuilder, because how? Well, so far so good, man. So far so good. Where are you targeting it, Smith? Where are you targeting?
First target is 712.
Interesting. Why 712?
Uh, that's just an area. Probably should reduce it to like 708, but we'll see.
No, I think that's actually good. Like I said, I'm targeting the middle of the range. I'm targeting 750, and I'm confident that it will get hit now that we're back inside the range.
Wait, no, they didn't hit it. I was gonna say, did
Hit
regular
what?
EQ hit 700? But no, I'm tripping.
I mean, shit, we're almost there. It almost did though. It went to 694, so it was about 7 points away from 700, or 6 points away from 700. All right, I'm gonna pull that order on ES because I'm pretty sure. Well, I guess well, no, because I mean, for it to come down like that,
That'd be cool if we ripped to 720. Just one candle, just boom. Order filled.
I should have had this thing done over the weekend, really. All right. So with 3 contracts, we're about $180, and we're only up 30 points. That's not bad for 3 micros. Only up $30, and we're up almost $200. That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Start acting
And
dumb
then,
now.
well, I guess what I plan on doing is I will build my accounts with the nanos, and then once I get it to a certain point, I'll graduate to micros, and then when I get it to a certain point, I'll graduate to the minis. I think when I grow my account to probably like 3 or 5K, I'll go to the micros. Actually, no. When well, maybe. Hmm.
It's hard. It's hard to decide.
Yeah, it is, man.
I mean, it's only 14 points from the breakout. Like, Bull's acting scared now.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Dang. The Strait of Hormuz is now open. You heard Iran's terms. They said they want full control over it.
Don't they already have full control over it?
Well, they want to be acknowledged to have full control over it. Like, we run
I'm
this,
pretty sure.
we tax
Oh, go ahead.
it, like all the, because before I'm guessing they wasn't really paying attention to it before the whole war thing and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Ships was just coming and going. Then they were like, all right, we're gonna shut this down and let's see what happens. And they saw how it affected the world. Mostly those countries over there on that
Mm-hmm.
side, but it had an effect everywhere else as well. And I'm like, oh, we can use this to our economic advantage. They want to be
Mm-hmm.
recognized as a superpower.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mm. That's interesting.
I'm like, y'all are too, they're too far on the extreme side for all of that. Too extreme. Over there killing
Mm.
protesters and stuff. Like, no, that's not funny, but like, dang. Anybody that speak
Yeah.
out.
Well, that seems like that's a common thing on that side of the world. We see reports of that happening a lot on that side of the world. Or journalists and people that are quote unquote spreading truth, or their lives are taken away from them.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just like Iran. It's just for whatever reason, just every. I'll just leave it at that. It's just not. It's not just them. It's we've seen the reports. We've seen it. Here we go, baby. Are you asking me how much am I putting on the table? Are you talking about in this position? So right now I'm just in 3 micro contracts. I'm looking for a move back up to at least the 50% of this range. At least the 50% of this range. And then I got a runner target targeting the high of this range. So I'm just betting on the range rotation here. That's what I'm trading. That's the logic behind this trade and why I'm targeting such a big target. Well, you're almost there, Smith. You got about a couple more points. You should get a hit. Like I said, it's probably going to at least the 50% of this range.
And where's the 50% for you?
The 50% is like at 760.
Oh, shit. You talking
Man,
about
this
for
is the 50% for everybody.
you talking about for New York? That put in yesterday. What was the high?
The high was
Like,
842 and 3/4, and the low is 678 and 3/4.
Oh, yeah, because we did run
Yeah,
higher.
I get it, but I try not to complicate this. The market responds to the New York initial balance, so I don't. I mean, if there is a Asia London initial balance during the first hour, even after the even after the market closes, you can still see that the market is still going to respect the New York initial balance. So that's the one that I continue to use. I don't switch it up. It's been working, and you don't have to take my word for it. You can always back test and see that even after the initial balance is officially formed, when you go into Asia, you'll see the market still react to the 50%. It will still react to the high until the new initial balance is formed, and then the market shifts to that initial balance. I mean, it does it every day. So just keep that in mind. But you can trade how you want. It's your account.
That's like the famous, it's your account. Hey, you do what you want to do. It's your account. I'm
Oh,
just saying. It's your account. Trade it however you want it.
it's your money.
Trade it how you want it. They getting shaky at the 700 level. Hey, it's your account. I'm just saying.
Says modules found that were not loaded. Hmm.
Say gain weight. You could short this if you want. It's your account, but
You know, that's exactly what I told him.
so I'm just saying. Let's put
That's
that
what I
out
told our friend Gainway. I said, don't short this, man. It looks like it's gonna go higher. I'm shorting this game. Okay, sure account. Okay, sure account. It's your portfolio. But you kind of do have to play mental gymnastics with the Nasdaq. I mean, you have to play some super mental gymnastics with this damn instrument, man. You have to. You can't look at it and be like, yeah, there's a wall here. So logically, the market should short at this wall. We know that the market doesn't do that anymore. You kind of have to play devil's advocate with it a little bit. Like, yeah, so that's a triple, quadruple top, like kind of like right here. Kind of like right here. Yeah, the shorts worked. And if you took the shorts, then yeah, you got paid. Yeah, for sure. But how many, like, it's one, two, three, four, five. So you got a quintuple drop, or whatever you want to call it. It rejected from this level 5 times. And if you didn't take your profits, unfortunately, you're hoping for it to come back down, but it's not. It's not. That's not how range rotations work. Now, if we get a Trump candle, I mean, it could break back out of this range, but once we go back into a range, it usually the ranges are usually magnets. They usually go to the other side of the range. That's how ranges work, or range rotations work. You can see that. I mean, the biggest clue for me was that on the way back, it was making higher lows. Higher lows is not bearish structure. So I was confident that it was highly likely that we'll see. It'll go back into this range. And then the ES is bullish too.
Sure are playing games with 700 right now.
Yeah.
It's all a part of the mental gymnastics. He closed, and then it pumps an extra 50 points.
Mhm.
You're like, no. He's back in. He's chasing. Shoot,
Yeah, well, that's chasing. So
I chased this thing. I had to um add in. I freaking chased the stupid thing. They stopped me out,
hmm
and then I had to get back in, and I got back in at a terrible spot, or a not favorable spot. It wasn't terrible, but
hmm
it wasn't good either.
yeah.
He went all in. Yeah, baby. This is how you run up the account, baby.
Hmm.
Run it up. 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 No. It's
That's
happening.
hilarious.
He did it. He's excited.
He's thinking he's going to win.
I need to make a phone call to Trump. Trump, it's Bogdanov. Dump it. Tariffs, Strait of Hormuz. He just pulls out everything. He pulls out all the punches. Tariffs on everybody. 1,000% tariffs. Strait of Hormuz closed for good. We're gonna bomb Iran. We're gonna wipe them off the planet. Drop all the way back to like 23K. Somebody in the chat was saying, yeah, we need to go to 23K again. Like 23K. Like, dang, what's down there? What did you leave down there?
The short position that they're still stubbornly in. I mean, why else would we need to go back down there? Yeah, that short limit that just heads down there that got filled at 23K.
We need to go back down to 23K. I'm like, y'all just be saying whatever in this chat, man.
Oh, dude, I haven't been in that chat in so long, man. It's been a while. It's been a while.
It's funny. Like sometimes, I don't watch it. I only watch it or look at it for
For the
entertainment
comments.
purposes. Yeah. Some of these people, man. They are hilarious.
So long.
Hey, it's your account. That's the perfect place to say that phrase. And hey, all right, it's your account. Do what you want. Not financial advice.
Hold on, what's the channel's name? Isn't it? It's thinking with book maps or something.
Nah, he had to change his name. It's Live Alex TWB. Live Alex TWB. Because remember they kept shutting down his channel. He was getting traction and everything. He had like 20 something K
I think he had like the
subscribers.
most viewers. I think it was like at 30K, right?
I don't know, something
Or not
like that.
the most subscribers for the for like this type of content.
Yeah,
So like at 30K.
get a little bit of
Yeah.
traction, and then they want to shut him down. Oh, he's giving away the secret sauce for free. Bookmaster,
Yeah.
we can't have that. You gotta pay for this.
I think I think that's I mean I can see it from Bookmap's perspective because I mean I wouldn't have bought the 2K lifetime license or it wasn't 2K, it was $1,300 I think. I wouldn't have bought it if somebody was streaming silver at the time.
Oh yeah, because you were You were using it for that, weren't you?
Yeah. These bookmap channels are cutting into revenue.
I mean, if we could find it on, it's not just him. He ain't the only person streaming bookmap. But I'm saying he's like,
Yeah.
he has the setup that I want to see. But it's like, if it ain't him, it's gonna be somebody else. So you're not stopping it.
Looks like there's a bunch of orders sitting at 7:30. Bunch of orders sitting at 7:30. Let's see if they try to move that shit.
Yes, it's coming into that territory though. Oh,
there we go, baby. Keep pushing.
Never mind. It said bloop. Okay. Hit first TP,
There we
baby.
go.
Come on, come on. A couple points away. I was thinking of front running it. We only got
just leave it alone. It's gonna get hit, bro. Just leave it alone.
We only got 2 points, baby. Come on. Don't let me down. What are you doing?
The only thing that will jump this thing is Trump. It's gonna get there. I mean, shit, you're gonna take profits at 12 and be like, damn, I should have held it. You should hold it, man. You should hold it.
No.
Shoot for the stars, baby. Aim for the moon and shoot for the stars.
Yeah, well, this is the first TP that it shortchanged me at 710. I think I had. Did I put it? No, I think I had it at like 711. Damn.
It'll get there, man. It'll get there. It's gonna get there.
My account isn't liking this right now. My account.
I mean, you can always, commit blasphemy and take profits here. I mean, you're only 7 points away from it. And you can always take your profit on first TP. But you won't get that vindication. You ain't gonna get vindicated if you do that.
You make a good point. You have a good point there. But I held through this stupid. We had the 25-point pump here. Came back, stopped me out. I should have re-entered long there out of spite.
Oh shit. Oh, Silver, why are you pumping now? Silver, why are you pumping?
Gold's pumping. Gold's pumping too.
Oh yeah, CPI tomorrow, of course. I mean, that's a silly question. CPI tomorrow. Damn it, Silver.
It missed me by 2 points. 2.5 points.
Damn it. No, I'll just come back tomorrow morning after CPI in the news. I'm pretty sure we'll get a trade in Silver tomorrow. Silver did me dirty today, man. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I thought we were going to get a retest of those lows. We didn't. I mean, I guess it could have done me dirty by stopping me out, but it came all the way back to my break even. And instead of getting $300, it gave me half of my value. So I was like, okay, whatever. I guess I'll take it. I guess it's better than nothing, I guess. Guess it's better than nothing. Says who needs vindication? I mean, shit, that's how I get to fuck my girl at the end of the night. I can't fuck her if I don't get vindicated. I can't do it. I can't look her in the eye. I can't do it. So I didn't get vindicated tonight, baby. Now that means you need to go back in the market and get that shit. You right, baby. That's the type of motivation I need. Go back in the markets and get that shit. Get your vindication, and then you can come back. Yeah, you're right, baby. You're right. You're right. One day I did tell my girl that shit for real. Like, dude, I lost too much money. I don't deserve it tonight. I don't deserve it tonight. I lost too much money in the market. Lost too much money, dude. I was like, dude, nah, I can't do that. Oh, fuck, I don't deserve that. That's only for winners.
Stupid. I know I'm playing with fire at this level. I know I am. I know I am. Oh, we got a block of orders at 710. Let's see us push through it.
Sounds like fuel. Well, hold on. Why do you have your target at a weird number though? Like at 712. I mean, this dude is gonna hit it, but why 712? Why is that your first target?
It actually, if I had played by what my trading view chart says, I would have already hit TP. But I just moved it out 2 extra points. It would have got hit at 710, and I'd be chilling. But I was like, no, give me 712. I got R3 and yesterday's London IB low at like 726, and my R3's at 723. So we could push up there and see a resistance drop type ish, but I don't know.
They ain't about to drop this thing. They're not about to drop it.
Not drop, but like a pullback.
Yeah, I know what you're talking. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, not a real
drop. Things are gonna keep grinding higher. Can we get much higher? So
they decided to come out. MNQ is only 12 points. Bumped it off. We did it. We front ran his TP. Is he still hopeful? He's excited. Dump
it. Go to 1175 and then dump it. Give him hope and then take it away from him.
1175 would be diabolical.
You know she'll do it.
That would be absolutely diabolical.
We want to take away his spirit. We don't want just his happiness now. We want his spirit, his will.
Then we'll take his money.
Yeah.
His will to trade. Dang. Gold.
Hey, yo, what's up, Santiago? How you doing? Did you catch the pump from the opening candle? Or are you just sitting on the sidelines right now? You missed the pump.
You gotta get in on this, man.
Excuse me.
Is it on ES? The old measuring tool. Bottom of ES. This is only like 8 points. This is why I don't trade the ES. From that bottom to the top of this move is like 8 points.
Well, I mean, yeah, it is. I mean, it sucks, man. It does suck, dude. It does.
Like to be sitting here for that long for 8 points.
Dude, it sucks. If you don't have a big position on ES,
yeah.
man, it's tough, man. Small accounts or growth accounts on the ES are tough. You'll be in it for a while. You'll be there for a while because you need at least ship one ES contract. 10 points is only $450. Or no, that's like, is that 9 points? 9 points is $450. 10 points is $500. 20 points is $1,000. So you need a 20-point move on the ES, and you already know that's. I mean, if you're gonna, you have to get a perfect entry for that.
Yeah.
But ES strong suit is you just if you can put on 5 minis or 10 minis, you can make a lot of money with 8 points. It's just you just have to have money to make money with ES. But yeah, dude, yeah. It pumped from the opening candle. All right, man. Silver. Yeah, it did, didn't it, huh? You know, I try to stay away from silver at the open, or I try to let silver set up, but it seemed like that may be a mistake. Maybe I should be stalking silver a lot more because yeah, it did bounce from that opening candle, didn't it? Look at that. Shit. I don't know, man. I don't know. Should I take this short? No, I'm not gonna short this. I'm not gonna short it. I'm gonna wait until after the news tomorrow because I have to accept the fact that the way that my brain works and the way that the market moves during the news, for whatever reason, those are news days are my toughest days because I try to trade these accounts or try to trade, and it's doing one thing and I'm trying to do another thing. So I'll just wait until after the news tomorrow. I was thinking about shorting it because it's coming up to an area where I could short this, but I'm not gonna play with it. I'll wait until tomorrow. Yeah, I'll wait until tomorrow. If it pulls back for a long, I'll take the long, but I'm not gonna take the short.
So
Order flow, baby.
the high was like 45 points. So if I can get my targets there for 47, if I can get 50, I think 50 points puts me at like 715, I think.
Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second.
715. The old target ain't good enough. You got new targets now, baby. The old one ain't good enough. It ain't good enough. So at 35, that's just below the 1x target. With the 1x expansion. And then 750, they probably will play around at that level. They got orders there at 750. But I would go so much as to say 760. But 750, they probably will play around up there. So probably do like 745 for 320. 320. 708. 760. 383. 380. Can you get much higher? So high.
Yeah, that's actually true, Alfred. That's true. I defeated the trend by fighting against it and win. I'll shut up. But when you leave, I'm gonna start talking again. I'll start talking again. These candles are disgusting, dude. On the 5 minute, man. These are disgusting candles. These are 5 minute candles acting like this.
"5-minute will not be disrespected." Mr. 1 minute.
We all know what the superior chart is here. We know the 1 minute is the superior chart.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Of course, we got resistance up here. That's that area. I would have kept it at 710. We got filled already.
Interesting. Oh yeah. Let's look at 710. 710, huh? 710. Yeah, so there was a point of control. There was a candle with their point of control at 709. And there is actually a lot of volume. So there is actually a wall here. There's a volume wall around 710, but the lowest part of the volume wall is about 701, and the highs is about 735. Take a screenshot, show you. So I just found out that this thing has TPO charts, and I guess I'll figure that out. See if it'll make finding entries a lot easier. So yeah, so this is that. So this was a range earlier on the NASDAQ chart, on the footprint chart, and you can just see all the volume in this area. This candle right here is is 709 right there. This is 728. And you can just see all this volume in this one area right here. So this is going to probably be tricky for the market, but all we need is a Trump candle or something. Trump, we need you. We need you.
Somebody unleash the Trump signal. Trump Tower.
Mm. That's interesting. So if I do it that way, if I do volume profile and instead of delta profile,
Wait. Patiently wait. Take this much higher.
mm, oh yeah, they're gonna add gamma levels to this platform. I believe August. I forgot August. I forgot. This platform already has the option data, but I don't care about that. Once this thing gives me my gamma levels for the NASDAQ and I can see like the put walls and all that other stuff, it's over. We trading at these gamma levels, baby. Or at least I know that there's a like a gamma wall that I'm hoping that the market breaks through, and I just know that it'll just be easier just to short it or go long at a wall versus trying to fight it. You know what, Santiago? I think we got the dump today. I mean, if you really think about it, that dump was so forced. That this dump right here was so forced. I think this was the dump. I think now we go higher. Let's actually look at a daily candle real quick. That'll give us clues. Yeah, we have a rally. The market is basing. We're definitely rallying. Well, it's highly likely that we rally here. The weekly chart is bullish. We have the new weekly candle opening towards last week's high. This is definitely bullish. Or the overall structure is bullish. So I highly doubt that the bears get a down day tomorrow. It can happen. I mean, I don't know. I don't have my crystal ball is still in the shop, so I don't know. But we'll see. Yeah. Yep. We're definitely seeing that on the daily candles for sure. Oh, is it? Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, he asked about you.
Oh, did he? Oh, was this earlier today?
Yes, after you got off. It's like, where's Sherm?
Uh,
He's still streaming. I'm like, yeah, he'd be on early from usually from open till like 10:30. You already know this. It ain't nothing new.
yeah, we don't degrade over time.
Broski.
Get stronger over time, baby.
Because I stayed on like practically all day. Like I was like, I'm getting my money back. We gonna make this thing work. Got my vindication on my short. I took a short and it finally went in my favor. I had to sit through 27 points of drawdown, but hey, it was not the best
Hey.
entry. But we did it. The best part
Yeah,
about
I
it
doubted this thing.
was getting out at the bottom. That was the best part, the best feeling.
The BDE energy.
Like,
The
yeah.
BDE.
Had to go to my closet and get my leather jacket. Had to get my Jensen Huang leather jacket.
So this is how he feels. This is how it feels like.
This is how it feels to be a trillionaire.
But you know what, Alfred? I definitely believe it. We're definitely pushing up to high tomorrow because this is Trump's market. How bad would it look if he was talking shit about Biden, about CPI, and he doesn't get his cronies to manipulate the market? Because I mean, they've already changed the math. So if they change the math, of course, this thing is going higher, man. I really doubt that this thing is going lower, but I don't want to go in with a bias because obviously I'll look or I'll come into the market trying to confirm my bias, but I have a feeling the market's going to go higher tomorrow.
Remember when he was on camera with all his like banker and hedge fund friends talking about this guy made a lot of money today, didn't you? I was
He's like,
like,
man, why you snitching?
like what? Yeah. He's like, oh, these guys are brilliant, wonderful guys. But this guy, you made a lot of money today, didn't you? Like, hey, yo,
Chill. My girlfriend and my mistress is watching. Relax, guy.
hey, chill, bro. Hey, you giving out the sauce? Talk about I made money today. Don't forget this guy. Didn't I tell you to buy stocks now? They're going up. Like,
Man,
hey, don't
I
say
wish
that
I
on
listened,
camera.
man. I wish I listened.
I know, right? Like, bro, You can say that in private, not in front of the cameras.
Nah, you gotta exert dominance. Like, yeah, we manipulating the market over here. What you gonna do? What y'all gonna do about it? But
Absolutely
man,
nothing.
shit. He said, "Go ahead."
That's it. They ain't gonna do absolutely nothing.
Shit, we're manipulating the market over here. So what? So what? That's how we roll around here, manipulating the markets. I mean, at that point, that's when we should have been prepared for all the manipulation. Every time Trump says something, the market is going to move just off of just what him just talking. I got a couple more minutes and I'm going to club bed. I'm gonna let this run overnight. I already know my target's gonna get hit. Bogged it off. Yeah, I mean, unless it does something crazy like actually break down past the range and go lower, which I mean that would just be that would be crazy. That would be that wouldn't even be price action. I'd be like, okay, okay, so what the hell's going on? Like, how the hell did it go? Why did it go back into the range and didn't rotate? Because right now, I believe if people haven't flipped long, they're short right now, hoping for it to come back down. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I can see it. I mean, that's crazy to me as of right now, but it's their account. Short if you want. It's your account.
I mean, think about it. If you were short at the orb low and the market didn't take out, the ICT 2022 ICT 2022 model, this low right here, and then it went higher, quote unquote, without taking liquidity, you're still short right here at the IB low, hoping that it comes back. The reason why I can say this with confidence is because apparently we're old dinosaurs. I guess we're boomers apparently because all the modern streamers stream on TikTok.
Oh, you could stream
I
on
may look
TikTok?
into that. I might look into like a dual thing where I stream on YouTube and TikTok at the same time. I'll look into it. But yeah,
Yeah,
all the I guess they stream on TikTok now.
I don't be on TikTok like that, though.
Yeah, that's why I said that. Maybe we're old dinosaurs. The cool
Yeah,
guys were on TikTok.
yeah, I know I am. I don't be on TikTok. The only TikTok videos I see are the ones you be sending me. I'm like, oh, okay. I mean, I created an account just to be like, all right, I got an account. I'll never be on that mess. I knew it was bad for me when Facebook had changed, and I'm like, dang, I don't even know how to use this anymore. I'm like, I feel like my
You don't know how to
mom.
use Facebook?
I'm like, I feel like my mom. Because I hadn't used it in a long time, and then they switched the whole platform up. I was like, man, what is this? All right, I'm old.
Hmm. Yeah, all the cool guys are streaming. I look at the streams to see how they got it all set up. Uh, maybe, 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 maybe. But TikTok is like I said, it's a pretty cool app. I gave it a hard time when it first came out. The people that used it really left a bad impression because it just made people regarded. But it's a reason why all the platforms now mirror TikTok. It's a reason. It's a good platform. Outside of all the BS that's on it, it's a really good platform. It has a very authentic feel to it because it is authentic. It's the only platform that allows you to interact with your audience directly versus having to pay the like Facebook, like with the ads and stuff. The Facebook makes you pay to interact with your audience, and Facebook controls what your audience sees. So if they're not super subscribed and they're not checking for your content, you can kind of get lost. But TikTok is definitely different. That's why a lot of businesses grow rapidly when they get on TikTok because they have direct access to their audience. It's really TikTok is really powerful, and it's also addictive. That's why I use it as a reward system for myself. I don't scroll until um, my designated TikTok time. And then once I get to a certain point, it locks out and I can do it again tomorrow. It's a cool app. Yeah. You stay far away from TikTok? Yeah, I mean that's well, a lot of it is like that. I'm not going to defend it and say that, hey, you should try it out. I use it as a reward system for myself. And I only limit myself to about an hour and 30 minutes per day.
I'll switch it over to Kick. Catch me on Kick.
Yeah, I like the online gambling when that was big. I haven't watched the kick stream. I just watch kick streams on YouTube or the replays of them on YouTube. But I definitely like the online gambling.
What's that other platform?
No, I think that's it. I think Kick, Twitch.
Yeah, Twitch is more for what gaming, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only one. The alternative to YouTube. Okay. All right, Smith. I'm about to go to club bed, man. So I know that you're gonna probably be up. Hopefully you go to bed and you can be up and trade CPI or the reaction to it tomorrow, but try not to stay up too long.
Yeah, no, I'm about to call it here too.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, all right, guys. At least that's going to be it for me. I do appreciate everybody that joined us tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Yep, same here for me. Catch y'all in the morning. Peace.